morning, everyone. This is a very lovely morning with Rediscover Chennai and Rediscover Life theme on a motorbike. And actually, this is the need of the hour because motorcycle, as you know, you need a starter and a kick. So that is what we are looking for, to kick-start the tourism once again. And this is going to boost the tourism once again back, vibration with life. And Chennai always has been doing fantastically well because Tamil Nadu receives the highest number of tourists in the country, and we are going to get back to those figures once again. And today, what a wonderful morning with all the people in the hospitality sector, all the general managers of the different hotels in Chennai. They are all participating with the India Tourism Chennai, and we are looking forward for a very brilliant bounce back after this corona adverse effect what we had on tourism. And I'm very confident that the kind of a spirit demonstrated by all the general managers and people associated with the tourism industry, we are definitely to come back in a very big way. It's just a matter of time.
Namaste and good morning. This morning the bikers of Chennai, who also happen to be the general managers of all the iconic hotels of this city, have got together for a bike ride. We are going to go down to Mahabalipuram to promote our hotels, to promote tourism, to encourage our guests to come back here into our hotels and to also show them that we are safe. And we are safe not just on our hotels but also on the road, all geared up and all set for a great Sunday morning ride. Cheers.
We are here today for a cause. The hoteliers, the general managers of the hotels of Chennai have got together, create some awareness amongst the public. Because the hotels have not been doing very well of late because of the pandemic. We feel that people still don't have a lot of confidence to visit the hotels, whereas the hotels have opened and we have been following very strict COVID protocol, and hotels are the safest places for people to visit, congregate, celebrate. And that's the reason we want to reach out to people to tell them that Chennai is a safe city. Chennai is a great city to travel and visit at this point of time, and people should start bringing their business and leisure needs back to the hotels of Chennai for travel and tourism to prosper.
COVID-19 என்ற பேட் டைமில் எல்லாருமே எல்லா இண்டஸ்ட்ரியும் ரொம்ப சஃபராக இருக்குது. அதே விதமாக இந்த ஹோட்டல் இண்டஸ்ட்ரியும் ரொம்ப சஃபராக இருக்காங்க. ஸோ என்ன சொல்கிறது, ஒரு ரீடிஸ்கவர் தேவைப்படுது நம்ம எல்லாத்துக்குமே, எல்லாத்தோட லைஃப்லேயும். ஸோ ஐ விஷ் ஹோட்டல் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் பீப்புள் எல்லாருக்குமே திருப்பி பழைய மாதிரி அந்த ரொட்டீன் வரணும். எல்லாருமே திருப்பி பழையபடி அந்த லைஃப்பில் எல்லாத்துக்கும் அந்த வேலை வாய்ப்புகள் திருப்பி அமையணும். எல்லாருமே எல்லா சுச்சுவேஷனும் நமக்கு நல்லதாக அமையணும்னு வாழ்த்துறேன். இந்த ரைட் ஹோப் இட் வில் பிரிங் அஸ் எல்லாத்துக்குமே ஒரு ரீடிஸ்கவருக்கான ஒரு ரைடாக அமையும் நான் வாழ்த்துறேன். நன்றி. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
Hi, good morning everybody. Today is an exciting day because all of us general managers of Chennai hotels have joined together for a special cause to rediscover life being the motto. The idea is just to remind everybody here that we from Chennai hotels are safe and secure. We are excited about reviving hospitality back into what it was. After taking all the COVID safety protocols in all our hotels, we are ready to serve you, and you can be confident about using all our services.
I think this is something which what we are doing today is to ensure that the whole world around Chennai and Tamil Nadu knows that the place is very safe, and we as general managers of all the hotels are taking ownership of communicating that message to all of you. And I'm sure that should give confidence to the people who are traveling to Chennai, and hope they start traveling and visiting hotels more frequently than what they have been doing. Wish us all the best for the ride, and hope the result and outcome is much better than what we expect. We are going to go and have a ride of our lifetime. We are looking forward to it, and we'll definitely enjoy that. So thank you very much.
see everyone here. I think it was a great initiative, all inspired by the RD, and all the GMs together came and decided that let's inspire the travelers that Chennai is safe and it's time to travel, make your business, make your travel. Beautiful hotels, we're all set, and what else can be a best way to give messages? Come over, enjoy the day and start traveling. Thank you very much.
Today is a day when we all GMs have gotten together, and the purpose is very important to the tourism industry, as we all are knowing that after a pandemic situation, the hotels are not doing well, the tourism industry is bad. So we all decided that let's all start together and let's all get to the roads with all these bikes on today. Starting from the hotel, the Surya Hotel, the thing is going to be flagged off, and then we are going to be going towards Mahabalipuram, and looking forward to this exciting day. Thank you.
Rediscover Chennai, rediscover life. It's a nice beginning for the day and for the start for all of us. I think we'll all be doing our best in terms of showcasing to the world and to the country that we're here to stay and we're here to do the best from our side. Thank you so much.
Rediscover Chennai, rediscover life. That slogan itself carries the motto behind this bike rally. The GMs of the leading hotels of Chennai have gathered to promote tourism in this beautiful state of Tamil Nadu, and we want to convey it to the public that it's a safe destination, and the hotels are following all the strict SOPs and protocols to make sure the safety of all the guests and even the employees. All the touch points in the hotel, every hotel, are getting sanitized regularly, and this message should go to the public, especially to the domestic tourism now, that Tamil Nadu is waiting eagerly to welcome the tourists from across India and in coming times from across world. So looking forward to see you soon, and warm wishes from Surya Chennai. Thank you.
Message to you all is the hotels are safe, and absolutely safe. This rally is to let people know that the hotels are open, ready to welcome back with all the new norms in place, and we look forward to seeing you in our restaurants, bars and the hotels. We're all ready and open. All the GMs are here. We're grouped up. We are heading to Fun Ride just to tell people that we are ready as hotels, and we look forward to seeing you all in our hotels. Thank you and have a great day.
It's a great initiative by all the general managers, and thanks to those who organized it. And Rediscover Chennai, it's a new, very great initiative. It is to say that, now in this pandemic, we are safe, all safety measures are being taken. This is a drive to tell and to boost tourism. So we look forward to a good response in the days to come. It's a great feeling individually. Thank you, and thanks to all those who organized it.
Today all the general managers in Chennai, we are going on a joyride till Mahabalipuram to generally promote tourism, and I think we need this so badly here. I mean, with all this corona happening all this while, I think we also want to break free as it is, and after a 6 months long lockdown, it will be really nice to have some fun. And we are all looking forward to this ride, and we also want to invite everybody to Chennai. Chennai is safe, hotels are safe, so please travel everyone and make tourism big. Thank you.
We are here gathered today to spread awareness that hotels are open, and we look forward to have you all come to us to stay and to dine. It has never been safer. Taken every possible precautions to ensure the safety of everybody who walks into us, to our hotels, including our employees as well as the guests. So look forward to have you all here with us.
So it's great to be part of this ride. Rediscover Chennai, rediscover life. I think that's the motto we're going through. And I think we spread a good message. All the GMs have come together, which itself is a great thing. And I think we share a very great camaraderie between us. And we first time put it to a great use of spreading an awareness that we are all safe and we are all ready to welcome you all back to Chennai and to all our beautiful hotels. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Today, all the general managers of the finest hotels in Chennai are getting together for a bike ride to promote tourism. Through this, we wish to convey that we have all the safety protocols in place and it is absolutely safe to stay in hotels and dine in hotels. We hope to welcome you back soon.
We'll be very happy to be a part of this bike ride. Rediscover Chennai, rediscover life. And for the first time as general managers, we are all having a great adventurous trip. And we are working towards reviving the tourism industry, and we are very much sure that our guests will find it safe, Chennai will be safe, and they'll start patronizing our hotel once again. And because tourism industry plays a very important role in the economy. We're all having great fun. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.
We are here to rediscover Chennai and rediscover life. So this ride is especially to give a assurity to all our guests that we are all safe here and it is safe to travel back, and we have taken all measures to make sure all our guests are happy and they're having a safe and comfortable stay with all of our hotels together in Chennai and Tamil Nadu.